Jaytee and welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I'll be teaching you guys another song to play on the ukulele. So without further much ado, grab your uke because today I'm gonna teach you how to play ILYSB by LANY. So for this tutorial, hindi tayo gagamit ng CAPO, but make sure that your ukulele is in the standard tuning. And the standard tuning for soprano and concert ukuleles is GCEA. So in order to play this song, you need to learn 4 chords on the ukulele. So for the first chord, we have the chord of F. Ayan. Tapos, we have a D minor. Then we also have a C. And then lastly, we have B flat. Ayan. Bar, these two, middle, and fourth. Tapos, yung B flat is the same lang siya sa A sharp. Yung A sharp siya sa guitar, pero B flat siya sa ukulele. Pero yung tunog nila is the same lang. And for this video, I will provide 2 strumming patterns. So either of these two will work perfectly for this song. So it's up to you if you will choose the first type of strumming pattern or the second type of strumming pattern. But if you will choose the first type of strumming pattern, you can use that for the entire parts of the song, for the verses, for the chorus, pre-chorus, and everything. And also the same with the second type of strumming pattern. So for the first type of strumming pattern, napaka-basic lang nito, and it is down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. So for the second type of strumming pattern, ito yung merong chucking na na strumming pattern, and medyo mahirap siya ng konti, pero i-practice niyo lang siya kasi it really takes time to master or to practice this type of technique sa pagtutugtog ng ukulele. At ito yung parang may ch na sound. And na-introduce ko to siya sa previous na tutorial ko, specifically sa Di Na Muli. Ito yung parang ganun. Ayan. So, di ba pag open strings lang lahat, ayan, as you can see, nag-vibrate, may vibrations yung strings natin. Tapos, lumalabas yung sound dito sa sound hole. Ayan, itong bilog na yan. Yan yung sound hole. So, dyan lumalabas yung sound. So, pag ibablock natin siya using our palm, so, hindi na siya mag-vibrate. Tapos, ito yung na-produce niya na sound. Ayan. So, if we will block this using our palm, and then we have to strum it na pabigla simultaneously while blocking the strings, then you can produce a chucking na sound. So, magiging ganito siya. Ayan. Kung naririnig niyo yung ch-ch na sound, yan yung sinasabi kong chucking. So, for the second type of strumming pattern, magiging ganito siya. Down, up, chuck, down, up, chuck, up, down, up. So, medyo complicated dyan ng konti, pero I will show it to you guys. So, ayan yung chucking. Let's try to sing the first verse, the pre-chorus, and the chorus. Ayan. Using the first type of strumming pattern. Yung first type muna ha. So, medyo easy pa to. So, 1, 2, 3, go. I never felt this way. Can't get enough, so stay with me. Teka. It's not like we got big plans. Let's drive around town holding hands. And we need to know you're the So, tapos na tayo sa first type of strumming pattern. So, now, let's try to sing the same verse, the same pre-chorus and chorus, but we will use the second type of strumming pattern. So, ayan. 1, 2, 3, go. Ain't never felt this way. Can't get enough, so stay. Before I will end this tutorial, be sure to check out the chords and the lyrics on the description box below para may guide kayo after watching this tutorial. So that's it for our tutorial today, guys. I hope that you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and click the little notification bell beside the subscribe button para ma-update kayo whenever I upload a new video. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!